Hey friends, welcome to KnowledgeHeals. Today, we are going to cover a very important and scoring topic, definite integrals and their applications. This topic is not only crucial for Class 12 board exams, but also for JEE and engineering entrance exams. So, without any delay, let's get started. First of all, it is important to understand the concept of integration. Integration is the reverse process of differentiation. It helps us find the accumulation of quantities, such as areas, volumes, and total values over an interval. When we integrate a function without any given limits, we call it an indefinite integral and represent it with a constant c, because multiple functions can have the same derivative. But when we integrate a function between two specific values, it is called a definite integral, and it gives us a unique numerical value rather than a function. To compute a definite integral, we use the fundamental theorem of calculus, which states that the definite integral of a function, for x from a to b, is given by integration of f of x into dx from a to b, which is equal to f of b minus f of a. This means we substitute the upper limit into the function, subtract the value obtained by substituting the lower limit, and the result is a definite value. To further understand definite integrals, let's compare them with indefinite integrals. Here you can check this table out, you can pause the video and have a proper look at it. While indefinite integrals help in deriving general solutions and functions, definite integrals are useful in real-world applications like computing areas, volumes, work done, and probabilities. Definite integrals have some important properties that help in solving problems more efficiently. These properties are particularly useful in JEE and board exams to simplify calculations. First is changing the variable that is from integration of a to bf of x into dx is equal to integration of a to bf of t into dt. This property shows that the variable inside the integral does not affect the result, meaning the integral remains the same if we change x to another variable like t. Second is reversing the limits. Integration of f of x into dx from a to b is equal to minus of integration of f of x into dx from b to a. If we swap the upper and lower limits, the integral sign changes. Third is addition. Property. Integration of f of x plus g of x into dx is equal to integration of f of x into dx from a to b plus integration of g of x into dx from a to b. This property helps when breaking integrals into simpler parts. Fourth is symmetry property, in which integration of f of x into dx from a to b is equal to integration of f of a plus b minus x into dx from a to b. If a function is symmetric around a point, we can use this to simplify calculations. These properties are widely used in integration problems to reduce complexity and save time during exams. Definite integrals have various real-world applications. Some of the most important ones include: first is area under the curve. Area is equal to integration of f of x into dx from a to b. Second is applications in physics. Displacement in motion. Integration of vb of t into dt helps find total displacement given velocity. Work done by force. Integration of f of x into dx calculates work when force varies. Center of mass. Calculation. Definite integrals help find centers of mass in mechanics. JEE and board exam tips. 1. Remember the properties. Many tough integrals can be easily solved using properties. 2. Understand the graphical approach. If a question on area calculation appears, draw the graph. 3. Practice past year JEE papers from NTA. 4. Solve all NCERT examples and exercises compulsorily. So friends, today we covered definite integrals, their basics, properties, examples, and applications. Now, this topic must be clear to you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to KnowledgeHeals. See you in the next video. Until then, happy learning.